Put it back in your mouth and lick it. Or you're not never eating candy in your life. Put it back in your mouth and eat it, or you're never eating candy. Hurry.
I
Go.
can't do it.
Yes, you can.
I can't do it.
Come on. Just do it. Go. One. Okay, you're a
It's
weenie.
soured.
You're a weenie.
Come on.
Eat it
Who's
then.
there, Mom?
I don't care. You never. Okay, give it to me. I'm gonna eat it and I'm getting candy and you're not. The faster you do it, the faster the sour gonna go away. Just go. Just go for it. Just put it in your mouth. And eat all the sour. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on.
Can I get one there?
Yeah, hold on. If Caesar eats it, you get one. Caesar, you want Ashley to get one? You gotta eat it. Hurry.
First, I gotta get one of these.
Hurry, just go.
Eat it.
1, 2, 3.
It's sour, that.
Go, 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 go. Go. Okay, go.
Where's seeing it on?